What's going on? What are you guys doing here? Today we are in Orlando. It's probably really echoey right now. I have nothing in my apartment here, so it's gonna be really echoey. It's 7 a.m. Gonna show you guys what it's like. Little day in the life here in Orlando with me trading and living and the hustle and the bustle. Give you a little tour, kind of show you the new setup and everything. We saw kind of the process of going through and getting it all set up, but let's see what it's like actually trading today and what it's like living here in Orlando. So I would say that one of the weirdest parts or different parts about living here in Orlando for me right now is the fact that in Hawaii, when I wake up, I normally wake up at 4:15. The market opens at 9:15 or 9:30. So I'm pretty much like, I wake up and the first thing that I do is get on the computer and start trading. Like, I don't do anything else. I don't eat, I really don't do anything. I literally just go from my bed to the computer. You can see this is the lobby of the building, but basically it's this weird feeling of like waking up and like having time until the market opens. It's 7 a.m. right now, so we got about 2.5 hours until the market opens. So it's a little weird, I don't know, like to have that extra time for me. Yesterday I worked out legs, so we're gonna do a little stretching, get the legs kind of stretched out, and then we're gonna do shoulders today. Should be a pretty easy workout, just mostly a couple presses and some flies and stuff, and just simple shoulder workout. I like shoulder days because they're just very simple. You don't need to go crazy. Shoulders are not like a massive muscle. All right, so it's been about an hour. We've been in here doing the shoulders. Got a few more moves. I like to finish either with high cardio, get the calories burning, or try to finish with like heavy weight. 30 right now, and we got done with the workout. Feeling the burn, the shoulders are on fire. That's the goal, that's what we're looking to do. This is the lobby, like I said. Like, I don't know why they put these things in the lobby. Like, no one's gonna come and like work here, are they? Are people gonna like come sit down here and work? I don't know. I'm not going to. But this is the lobby. You got the mailboxes, kind of like a living room slash like bar area. There's like a fridge and stuff here at the pool area. So they got the couch, fancy stuff. Again, it's like one of those weird things of like, is somebody gonna come and like hang out here, watch TV by themselves? This would be a cool area to do like a Patrick Wieland kind of subscriber hangout maybe one day. But I don't think you're allowed to have like more than 2 guests at a time. So we're going out to the pool now. The pool is on the 4th floor here. It's kind of like in the middle of the buildings here. Let's see what the pool's like. Like I said, I haven't seen the pool, so you guys are seeing the pool for the first time with me. Here's the pool. Not very big. Definitely not swimming laps in this pool. Probably should have looked at the pool before I moved in, I guess, but I was in Hawaii. So here's the pool. Got like kind of like the pool in between the buildings. Outdoor area, they call it the courtyard. You got some, it's kind of the same setup as the pool where it's inside of the building. Nice about my apartment is, if you think about it, it's the largest floor plan. It's like 1,400 square feet. And the nice thing about it is that it's on the corner of the building, right? So if you think about it, like basically my apartment is on the corner of the building over here. I got 2 balconies, and this is the little view. That's a creative village area. So I got 2 balconies, but the cool thing is my bedroom, basically my bedroom here, is pretty much by itself. Like, I don't have any neighbors around my bedroom. So I don't hear, my neighbors at night banging or having sex or something. So I'm pretty much like all the way on the corner, and like, there's windows here, and then my kitchen is over there. So I don't hear like my neighbors. Getting ready for the live stream here. Got the lights turned on, got it all set up. We're looking at the market right now. We're kind of figuring out what's going on. Show you guys what we got here on the screens right now. 15-minute chart right here. This is the 15-minute chart, the hourly chart. You got the Bookmap right there. Then we've got my Topstep funded account right there. We got the 3-minute chart. We've got the OBS. We've got the comments. We've got another 3-minute chart with a different setup. And then we've got the YouTube stuff. And then over here, I have my MacBook hooked up so I can actually do like some editing. I got the editor pulled up there, I got Photoshop, I got a new MacBook, and that's kind of the setup that I got. That's what I'm seeing when I'm live on YouTube. You guys see the background there, so that's what the background looks like, kind of right there. The office setup. I really need to do a lot more like cable management to get everything all dialed in and set up, but I've been so busy just like streaming and working all week that I really haven't been that worried about it. It's been more just like, let's focus on, you know, doing the job that we need to do, and then we can always figure out later on like what we're gonna do in terms of like getting everything looking all pretty. So right now it's 8:30 in the morning. We got 1 hour. We normally go live on YouTube around 9:15, so we'll be live at 9:15. We got about an hour to get ready. I'm gonna work on some stuff on the computer and get ready for the market open here, kind of look at the charts, get an idea of like where the levels are before we go live, and then we'll kind of break down what we're looking at and the plan and all that fun stuff. So Topstep is offering a 35% discount this weekend. If you guys want to sign up for Topstep, there's never been a better time. But what I did this morning is I made a little ad here with Photoshop. So made a little ad. I'm the creator, right? I'm so creative. I made the ad thing, put it over here for the live stream this morning, so that way I can show it on the live stream, promoting the fact that they will have a 35% discount there. Live on YouTube right now, it's 9:15. We're all set up, we are ready to rock and roll, and we're gonna get started here. So we're gonna live stream, it's 9:15 this morning, Friday morning, Fresh Cash Fridays. We're live on YouTube. You guys are watching the vlog, but you're also watching the live stream as well. It's like Inception, who would have thought? We've got a little trade here on the 3-minute chart, that breakout there, up there to the 86s. Today, I'm just trading one contract. The last thing that I want to do is have a red day, especially when I'm vlogging and fucking I'm over here vlogging my whole day as I'm live on YouTube and all that. And I don't want to have a red day when I'm vlogging it. So it is Fresh Cash Friday. Now, we got a couple trade, not much going on, but we're just kind of sitting back, waiting for this market to make a move. We got the Fed speaker at 12:30 today. We got a Fed speaker at 12:30. The market pushed up to the 100 level, and right now you can see just kind of sitting back here being patient. I just ordered Chipotle as well, so hopefully the Chipotle comes today on time. Right now they say that Chipotle is supposed to be here at 11:24. So the app says that he's here. It says he arrived. Well, where the fuck is he? This is the problem that I had the other day. I don't know why it's so hard. There's an address. Here he's calling me. Hey, how's it going? I'm right here. There we go. We're good. Thank you. That's funny. Literally called me right when I'm like standing there waiting for the food. Oh God. We got the chips. We didn't have to chase the Chipotle person. The market didn't move when I was gone. So, I mean, I think we're winning. And we're also green right now. I don't want to jinx my fucking self. I don't want to fucking jinx it, but everything is playing out exactly good so far. It could always change. That's the best thing about day trading, you know? At any moment now, I could just, whoa, blow it all up. So we'll see what happens. But I'm honestly, like, I'm gonna be very patient. Because I know I know there's a good setup coming, right? Like, I know there's something good to come. So I'm not gonna, you know, do anything stupid. I just don't need to force it. I just don't need to do anything. This is how dedicated I am to the live streams. I'm eating while live on YouTube. I could just be done, you know, Friday, walk away, but no. So Friday, Fresh Cash Friday, we might not be making a ton of money in the market, but we got a $100 tip. I'm gonna put this in the vlog, Tim. You're famous in the vlog. Tim Bible coming through with a $100 tip on the live stream. Gotta love when the members give the support. Not that I ask people to give me money, but you know, it's always, I'm never gonna be mad about it. Never gonna be mad about someone. Just got done with the live stream. We got done with the live stream, so I'm gonna go run a little errand, maybe come back for the end of day session. It's 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna miss this car. I will say I have really enjoyed driving this BMW X6 the last week or so here in Orlando. And I'm thinking that when I come back to Florida, maybe I might buy one. I don't know. It's pretty fun to drive. It might be trouble. I don't know if do I need a truck? Do I need a car? Do I need an SUV? What do I really need? I don't know. I enjoy the car. It's got a lot of cool features. It's really fast. It looks good. Oh, it's hard to complain. Look at this shithole apartment. Somebody wrote on YouTube that my Nana lives in a shithole apartment. And she took offense to that, and she went on there and commented back to him. So my Nana be on there trolling the trolls. Oh. Happy Friday.
How'd it go today?
I like this. It's being able to, it takes me 2 minutes. I come right over here and see my Nana. She made cookies. I saw those cookies. I gotta film. We're filming a vlog for the day. Everything that I did, my day in the life. Waking up, we went to the gym so far. We did the live stream. We made $700. She said that's all. God, I mean the day's still young. I might go back and trade before the close. So, holy shit, we really hit the jackpot today. We got everybody that they want on YouTube in the same place. Look at this guy. This was not planned.
No.
How'd you know I was here?
I could smell money.
Smell the money. I told Nana I want a dollar bill painting. Wouldn't that be cool? Just paint a dollar, you know, a dollar sign on it for her. She never done nothing like that before. Did you hear about Nana? She got going off on the YouTube comment. Someone said that her apartment's a shithole. They said, Patrick, why don't you get your grandma a better apartment? She lives in a shithole.
Your grandma out of that shithole apartment.
You can't. There's always gonna be haters. Nana's got haters on the internet now. I had to come over here and get some cookies. What? Woohoo! We talked about this on the stream today. Somebody said that they also like no-bake cookies. I don't need too many. Don't give me too much. I don't want to get fat. I will say that it is nice being able to just pop over there, see my Nana. She's 86, turning 87 next month. So, you know, she was really important in my life growing up. She basically lived with us growing up, me and my brother, and I got to spend a lot of time with her growing up, and she was awesome to have around, take care of us, and make sure I got to school. You know, she'd wake us up to go to school and make us food and take care of us, and if I needed money, you know, give me a couple extra bucks for lunch or whatever it was. She always helped me out, always been one of my biggest supporters since day one. When I started filming, she was always there to help me and kind of give me advice, and I always went to her to, you know, get advice on just like anything, I guess, in life. You know, she's been around. She's 87. She's seen a few things. All right, so it's 2 o'clock. We're up here on the 7th floor in Orlando, and basically just trying to relax right now and maybe kind of trade 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We'll see. No pressure. We made $700 this morning. We had the loss yesterday, but, you know, obviously we're trying to always capitalize. If there's a good setup, I'm gonna take it. So gonna be on the computer. I'm gonna probably record some videos for the YouTube as well. Not maybe not even trading, but just kind of talking about some stuff or whatever. And that's kind of my process. 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I got a meeting at 4 o'clock today as well. So just gonna be on the computer doing some more work for the next couple hours. I just saw this setup on the market right now on the ES. Basically, we got a couple things lining up right here. We got this overall downtrend that I'm looking at. So I'm thinking we're gonna move down right here and try to move down to like the 84s or lower, shorting from the 88s. I'll take 4 or 5 handles down to the VWAP. The VWAP down there at the 84s. So we'll see if we can get this move down here while we do some work on the computer, let it kind of just work its way out. It's kind of an overall good risk to reward. The market pushed up, got stuck on that kind of upside trend, downward trend. So looking to see if we can ride this momentum to the downside here. Got 3 contracts short there, the 88s, and see if we can't push down to 84s and then break below the VWAP. I'm gonna take it off. I'm done. It's Friday. It's still $1,000 a day. So $1,000 trade right there. We took the setup, we got the breakdown. We might get some action here later on today, so I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. It's 2:30 right now. I'd wait for, if we get below this VWAP, turn the VWAP into a resistance, I think we then get a move down from there. But honestly, it's gonna go lower once I covered. Look at it now, down there, the 82s. So we shorted there the 88s, off of that resistance, off of the 21 EMA right there. And now we're down there at the 82s. Come on, Patrick. It is what it is. It's a battle, you know? Like sometimes you're just like, oh, take profit, and then it ends up going lower. And, well, there's always another setup to come. So we're still waiting. I think we still got maybe another good setup here, end of day. Down there, the 82s now, from the 88s down to 82s. Are live on YouTube for the Power Hour. I was sitting here looking at the market. My grandma making fun of me today because I only made $1,000 instead of $3,000. She literally said, "Oh, you only made $1,000? Wow, okay, Patrick, cool." So that was like a challenge. She fucking challenged me. Now I'm gonna end up losing $4,000. So great. Thanks for that, Nana. So we're gonna go live here, Power Hour. It's 3 o'clock. We've been doing it, working all day. We got 1 hour left. We're vlogging today. We're vlogging, baby, so let's get into it. But we did an hour of Power Hour live here on YouTube, and it's currently almost 4 o'clock. Been doing a little vlog here today with you guys. It's funny because I'm talking to the camera for the vlog, and I'm also talking to the live stream. And we just got the little recap video for the day done. You can see the sun is setting out here. Pretty much like it's been a day. Fresh Cash Friday. Been working hard. I want you guys to see, like, I put a lot of effort, a lot of work into all this shit. So it's not just simply, you know, oh, just Patrick blah blah blah, but like it's work. You know, it's a job, and we put it in today. We had to put in some serious effort, to get it all done. I feel accomplished, at least. You know, it's weird, especially like being here when I get done trading in Orlando. Like the day's over, you know, it's 5 o'clock now. So it's like, what do I do now? Go to bed, eat dinner, go to bed, I guess. You know, in Hawaii, I'd be done at the latest at like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. And then I'd have like pretty much the rest of the day to like have fun and relax and do whatever I want. So it's definitely like a change. I'm not sure if I like really love it though, honestly. Like I thought I was gonna be kind of more excited to kind of not have to wake up so early, but honestly, like, it's kind of nice waking up early and trading and then being done. So I don't know, kind of still on the fence about it, but it's nice to have the benefits of Orlando as well, you know, the family and just being on the East Coast. It's nice. There's obviously benefits to both, so hopefully we can kind of manage going back and forth, and we'll kind of just keep doing what we're doing. Having fun, growing, and just being the best possible trader, YouTuber, person thingy that I could possibly be. Hope you guys enjoyed a little behind the scenes of what goes down. Like I said, it's over Friday. Now I'm gonna just relax, hopefully, and get some dinner and enjoy the weekend. I'm back to Hawaii on Sunday. Talk to you guys later on.